In this video, I'll walk you through how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your financial reports remain structured, accurate, and easy to understand. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right and selecting Chart of Accounts, which is essentially the master list that organizes assets, liabilities, income, and expenses for your business. Once inside, choose the new option and enter a clear account name that reflects its real purpose so it is easy to recognize later by you or your accountant. If your business follows account numbering, add it consistently, then select the correct account type, because this choice determines how the account appears in balance sheets and profit reports. After that, pick the most suitable detail type to refine its classification and add a short description if needed for clarity. Double-check any opening balance fields before saving to avoid duplicate entries or reporting mistakes later. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and honest software guides every week.